Right, so today I'll be testing the Dji Mic Mini 2 on a bike. So I have the GoPro mounted here, of course, with the receiver for the Dji Mic Mini 2, and I'm wearing one of the microphones with a wind guard on, and let's hear what that sounds like. Yeah. Right, so I don't have the speed at which I'm going. Maybe you can gauge that from the video, but I'm not going that fast. I'm not slow either, and I'm really trying not to shout that much. And currently I do have noise cancelling disabled. So I'm just going for lunch currently, not too far from here. And currently we are picking up all the road noises, motorbikes going through. Well, this is definitely a bit more windy.
Are you recording?
Yes, I was recording. I'm always recording. What's up, Nini?
What's up, nigga?
Alright, so James is joining me for lunch. What are you having, James?
I'm having
An orange?
yes,
And what else?
with some tea.
Orange and tea?
Yes.
Okay. A tea?
So saa hii tunakunywa chai na machungwa.
English, please.
Oh, unataka Kiingereza?
Chai?
Hey. So we are having orange.
Sorry? Say again.
So we are having orange and tea. Welcome.
But aren't you going to have a stomachache if you have orange and tea?
No.
Because of mixing citric acid and milk.
It depends where you are born.
So where were you born?
I was born in rural area where we take tea and oranges.
You're going to see about that. Yeah, I'm not sure the video will be that long, but we'll see. Lunch has arrived, and James' tea is here as well. Nafungua machungwa kule pamoja.
Ndio, lazima tuwasho.
So I'm having ugali. This is ugali, corn flour and water, eggs, and sukuma wiki, vegetables. And the beauty of this DJI Mic Mini 2 is the fact that you don't have to shout when you're in a restaurant talking into a camera. You can just put the camera exactly where you need it to be and just speak like a normal person. James is having his orange and tea. Unajua pia sisi lazima wasikie kile tunasema.
Kristo anaona nikikula kanini.
So let me show you how to eat ugali, vegetables and eggs. So you pinch ugali like this. Okay, then you make a little depression. Of course you have to wash your hands before this. Then you pick up some eggs. This is just scrambled eggs. Like that. Then vegetables. So you do it. Just adding some chili to spice things up. Nashangaa nini?
Kwa sababu hawakuoni, unaonyesha nini na hapo.
Naonyesha, unaniona? So this is probably as fast as I can go right now. I'm currently going against the wind, so this will give you a clearer picture of the entire ride. Noise cancelling enabled against the wind. Hope you can clearly hear what that sounds like.